I'm a broke college student. I'm always looking at thrift stores and landfills looking for furniture. I'm trying to save money for an apartment, so any good deals on furniture to furnish the apartment in the future are always catching my eye. One appliance that I've strived towards getting is a microwave oven. I always buy Hot Pockets, Bagel Bites, and banquet meals, yet they always go to waste. I toss and turn at night, my stomach rumbling from stress and hunger, not knowing when I'll eat next. So for now I've been sleeping at my parents' house, but they don't let me use their microwave because I used to put grapes in it, causing tragic messes that left my parents angry and with a dirty microwave. One Saturday I was doing my thrifting as usual, looking for my coveted microwave. I searched 3 thrift stores and couldn't find one. I was about to go home with my tail between my legs when I smelled the smell of wet tires and cardboard. Alas, there it was. A landfill I had frequented before. I ran in to see if it may hold a microwave for me to take home. Before I could think twice about entering this waste-filled wasteland, I was thrusted forth in a manner that can only be described as in defiance of God and all things holy. I got up and brushed myself off before seeing a black crown upon a throne of waste, a ray of sunshine in a land of clouds and gray skies. A microwave oven. I walked up to it and opened it, releasing a cry so loud it could water down the most roaring hellfires, with the stench of the spirit of 1,000 souls. It was perfect inside and out. I put it in the back of my Ford Escape and drove my merry way home to my parents' house to try it out. I had placed it on my desk, plugged it in, and began to clean it up and examine it closer. After thoroughly scrubbing with soap, I fetched a pack of Orville Redenbacher microwave popcorn, but I had noticed there was no popcorn button, but instead a different setting. Hamster. My gears started turning, wondering if it was meant to be. I went to go to my sister's room, who conveniently has a hamster. I knew I couldn't just ask her for the hamster after what happened the last time I had it, so that wouldn't do. I snuck into her room, took Mr. Squiggles out of his cage, and snuck back to my room. I was rather curious if it would work, so I opened the door to the microwave and popped Mr. Squiggles in. I had my paw up against the button, half chubbed below the belt, and pushed the button with the might of my forefathers. There's no going back now. A chill ran down my spine when I noticed that the time said 3 minutes and 40 seconds. As soon as it started, Mr. Squiggles started convulsing. 10 seconds in, its eyes become bigger and hyper-realistic blood began to pour out of his mouth. At 15 seconds in, its eyes exploded out of its fucking head. At 20 seconds in, I heard a loud pop as the rodent fucking combusted and saw the entire interior of the microwave coated in a red paste. Mr. Squiggles has been vaporized. And by 30 seconds in, I am pretty sure rigor mortis had set in maybe. I let the rest of the time play out, rendering the hamster a charred black puddle coating the platter and rest of the microwave. The microwave did a little melodious ethnic jingle once done. Upon finishing, I audibly said, "Holy shit." It fucking exploded, causing my parents to walk in. "What the fuck, have you been microwaving grapes again?" my dad said, angrily. My mom walked over to the microwave, noticing Mr. Squiggles' dark brown, well-done splattered corpse in the damn thing. A look of worry washed over her face, as my sister yelled down the hallway,
"Has anyone seen my hamster?"
And at the worst possible time, she walked in the room.
"Have you guys seen Mr. Squiggles?"
Then my sister saw the remnants of the hamster in my microwave and began to bawl her eyes out. My sister was now writhing on the floor, screaming that her hamster had been violated for the second and final time. My parents were screaming at me, but all I could think about was cleaning the microwave up and making a hot pocket. That would be the last night I spent at my parents' house. They had had enough of my experiments and kicked me out of the house. With nowhere to go, I went back to the dump to rest my head and stay for the night, not knowing another place to go. So here I am, at the dump typing this. If I learned anything, Never use a microwave with a hamster button.